Welcome back to our channel today. We're reviewing one of the simplest website builders. Whether you're a beginner or just need quick, hassle-free website solutions, this tool is for you. Stick around because I'll also share 5 creative ways to earn money using Carrd. Let's dive in. Go! What's Carrd? It's a super user-friendly platform for building sleek one-page websites. Perfect for portfolios, landing pages, or small business sites. The best part? It's free to get started. You can build up to 3 websites without spending a dime. Plus, Carrd offers tons of customizable templates to suit every need. Let me show you how simple it is. Carrd offers a wide range of customizable templates that fit any style or purpose. Whether you're looking to showcase your creative work or set up a quick business landing page, you'll find a design that works for you. Plus, tweaking these templates is as easy as drag and drop. No coding required. Let's talk about benefits. 1. User-friendly. 2. Free to start. 3. Sleek templates. 4. Fast and efficient setup. Now, let's talk about making money with Carrd. Here are 5 ways you can turn this tool into a money-making machine. 1. Freelance website design. You can offer website creation services to small businesses or individuals. Create sleek websites and charge for your expertise. 2. Affiliate marketing. Build landing pages to promote products and earn commissions through affiliate links. 3. Sell digital products. Use Carrd to sell ebooks, templates, or courses by integrating PayPal or Stripe for payments. 4. Lead generation. You can design lead capture pages for businesses and sell the generated leads. 5. Social media bio links. You can create personalized multi-link pages for influencers or brands and charge for this service. And that's why Carrd is such a game changer. Ready and see for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've used Carrd before or plan to give it a try. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.